Locations impacted include Waukesha, New severe thunderstorm warning for central Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Eagle Lake, or near Union Grove, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kenosha, Racine, Mount Pleasant, Pleasant Prairie, Sturtevant, Union Grove, Paddock Lake, Camp Lake, Silver Lake, Wind Point, Mars Lake, Eagle Lake, Caledonia, Salem, Bristol, Elmwood Park, North Bay, Franksville, Kansasville, and New Munster. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from North Point Lake, Wisconsin to Windsor Harbor, Illinois, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:34 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 11 nautical miles southwest of Oak Creek, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strongest parts of the thunderstorm will affect near shore and open water areas south of Milwaukee down to the Illinois waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. A severe thunderstorm